Hi friends and welcome back. If you're new here, hello and welcome. My name's Selena and I'm the interior designer, stylist and furniture refinisher behind the channel. And on today's video I've got a fun, free roadside furniture flip. And these bedsides were actually a roadside find that my partner's friend discovered on his walk from his apartment complex. We couldn't tell what they look like from the photo that he sent, so we ended up going down, checking it out and seeing that there was quite a few pieces. A lot of it was actually junk, but these bedsides were actually in pretty good condition and all they needed was a bit of cleaning and a fun little paint makeover. If you love watching a relaxing makeover video and perhaps want to try a new technique in furniture refinishing, then this is the video for you, so stay tuned. I have a great color combo that I want to try out, and I have done before on a few flips that I've done in the past. So today's going to be a bit of a different refinishing process. We're actually painting this in a two-tone look. The inspiration for this flip is to go with something a bit more dramatic, so I'm going to go for a darker top and a lighter painted body. So let's jump straight to it. These bedsides turned out so much better than I could have expected. I love the custom color that I made for the base. It was kind of a lighter chalk blue, and then with this dark kind of blue-gray on the top, it just gave a really lovely contrast and just gave it a bit more of a uniqueness than just painting it in all one color. I'd love to hear your thoughts about this transformation below, and if there's maybe a different color combo that you would have come up with. The costings for this piece were pretty negligible. In the end, it maybe cost me under $10 for the paint and all the materials that I used, and I was extremely fortunate that I have quite a supply of original kind of different brass hardware pieces from all my other furniture flips, and in this supply I actually had a replacement for the missing hardware on these bedsides. So if I didn't have this replacement, I definitely would have then probably changed out all the hardware and put in new ones, but because I had this replacement, I was able to insert this into the original spot and it looked like a matching piece. The only thing that was a little bit different with the hardware that I used to replace was that the patina was a bit darker. So what I did was ended up replacing two of these hardware pieces in the center of the bedsides. This way it had the darker patina in the center of the drawers, and then that way the lighter, more gold accents were at the top and on the bottom as well. So a great tip if you're flipping and refinishing furniture and you change out your hardware is definitely keep all the original hardware and any bits and pieces that you might use, because you never know what project you can use them later on for down the road. And that's definitely what happened to me in this flip here. I hope you enjoyed this video. I had so much fun doing this transformation. And if you want to support this channel, please like and subscribe below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.